Okay, actually I wanted to make a video where I show you how I usually repair my old worn out headphones. Like you see these, they are totally worn out. Had the same issue with them, but was on the inside here, and what I took to repair the inside at the time was actually an old pair of socks to repair them. And then I have these, and they're worn out underneath. These are actually these little socks which you can get when you are trying on new shoes, right? So just put them over here. And now for these to repair, I was actually getting a set of old pantyhose from my better half. Now the first thing I want to do, just to have some slack, I'm gonna cut the bottom part of it, and then let's just see, I'll just put it over here, and we have to do some adjustments, and I'm telling you why I'm doing that, because I've got rid of all of that, but this one was all over here, the old cover, and it was all flaky. And whenever I had the headphones on, after I took them off, my ears had like these black flakes. And what you can do, as I showed you now with these pantyhose, and it's a little bit of work, and I have to do that maybe off camera, but the cool thing is with the pantyhose, they actually have the enough stretch so that you can fit it in there. Or in this case, it really doesn't really matter if it's like loose here. We could actually change that a little bit, but you see it's kind of holding pretty good. What you could do, you could actually just put a little bit, if you want, of adhesive here on the inside, and then it would be good. But the cool thing with the pantyhose repair is that it's actually not hindering the sound.